Hi guys, what's up? I am back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna do a comparison between the S8 and S8 Plus. Does these beauties worth in 2019? As you guys know, these beauties came in March 2017. So first of all, I'm gonna show you my S8, as you guys can see. And this is my S8 Plus. Yep, nominated S8 Plus. So in this test, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you the maximum resolution on both the phones, QuadHd on both of them, their battery comparison, a speed test comparison, a camera comparison, and let's go. First of all, I'm gonna use my iris scan on this phone. Wait a minute, yep, it's open, and I don't have a password on this phone. So yeah guys, as you guys can see, I'm in both of the phones. So as you guys can see clearly. So first of all, I'm gonna launch the camera app. Yep, S8 is a bit faster over here because it's using the Android 9.0 and the S8 Plus is using Android 8.0, the Oreo one. So let's again do a speed test. First of all, 1, 2, 3. Yep, a bit fast on the S8. Now on the speed, the phone dialer. This was a tie between both of the phones. Messages app. I don't know about this. You guys suggest which was the fastest one. Now let's open some other apps, the third-party apps like YouTube. Sorry. Yep, the S8 Plus got this win over here. It's much faster on the S8 Plus to load when it comes to YouTube. Sorry, my data was off. Sorry. Let's do it again. My Wi-Fi was off. I'm really sorry for that. Let's do it again. Wait a minute guys, let me connect my S8 to the Wi-Fi network. Yep, let's do 1, 2, 3. Yep guys, S8 Plus is much faster over here. Now that we're gonna play a 4K video on both the phones. As you guys can see, the resolution of both these phones is set to maximum. The brightness is maximum. So let me start the videos from the starting. Yep. The thing is, both of the phones has a very good resolution. Basically, S8 has 536 pixel per inch, pixel density per inch, and S8 Plus has 501 pixel density per inch. So yeah guys, it has a minor difference between both of them, but still both of them do a pretty good job. So as you guys can see, let me bring the phones up much closer. Damn those display, man. They are very worth in 2019. But the main difference between both of them, I think S8 Plus has a bit sharper color on it. Don't know why. While on the other hand, S8 has good pixels as compared to the S8 Plus. But the video is much more colorful on the S8 Plus. Man, I can watch it forever. But let's move to the next test. Let's play another video on YouTube. A simple video like my own videos. Let's play a random video guys. So this is the ad which comes first, so let's play it. Yep guys, this is the test. Let's go to the camera comparison. Close all and close all over here. So what I'm gonna use is my iPhone 6. I'm gonna take some pics of this phone, my old phone. So first of all, I'm gonna click pics from my S8. So let's take a pic. Let me bring you this phone a bit closer. It's time for the S8 Plus. Sorry, my flash was off. Let me close it. Let's do it again. Yup. Let's take a picture of iPhone 6 together. Now let's see which one is sharper. As you can see, first of all, I'm gonna zoom the picture on my S8 Plus. Yep guys, both of these phones does a pretty good job when zooming the picture. These phones do not break the pixels at any limit. So let's get to the further test, which is the speed test once again. So I'm gonna launch the rest of the applications which I've not launched before. So this time I'm gonna launch the gallery app. 1, 2, 3. Yep, this time it was same. First of all, I'm going to show you the software of both these phones. As you guys can see the difference between both of them. This is the Android 9.0 and this is the Android 8.0. About phone, software information. Sorry, it's 7.0. Sorry, my bad. The thing is, I just bought this phone and it was 7.0, not 8.0. So yeah guys, this was my comparison between both of these phones in 2019, and honestly I suggest you guys to buy these phones because they're worth. Both of them have Snapdragon 835. The thing is, S8 Plus has a battery of 3500 mAh and this S8 has 3000 mAh battery. S8 Plus has 6.2 inch display and the S8 has 5.8 inch display. But the thing I like about S8 more than S8 Plus, it is more comfortable to use because see, my hand can reach at every side of the phone, and on this phone it's a bit difficult, see, not a very bit difficult, a little bit. But the best thing is about this iPhone 6 is it is the most easiest to use. See, from there to there, everywhere you can use it like a one-handed phone. So guys, this was my test between the S8 and S8 Plus in 2019. Guys, please like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you.